A little while ago, I saw a video from Ted Ed about perpetual motion machines. And of course, as an aspiring engineer and inventor, this made my imagination run wild. So I came up with a few concepts that might actually work. Emphasis on might. First off, we have concept number 1. So this is water-based. As you can see, there's some like water droplets here. So basically, this is a simple water wheel multiplied by 4. So basically how the machine works is that water will come out either here or over here. It will spin the wheel in either direction and then will fall down here, goes into a water pump. The water pump will push it up here and then back on the top. But I am aware that this won't work if it's just one water wheel. So I thought of the idea of adding multiple water wheels. But here's the problem with this. You see, it starts with 100% of the water. It splits, now we got 50% and 50% of the water. Splits again, we got 25% and 25% of the water. Same thing goes to here. And that would mean that it's basically just the same thing as rotating one water wheel. My idea is to take the energy from only one water wheel and then putting it into the water pump, while the rest of the water wheels can just be used for other stuff. But yeah, I'm now realizing that something like this wouldn't work. So here is concept number 2. So essentially how this works is that the water will come out of this Mario pipe. It will go to these 4 water wheels, drop down to the second floor, and then turn these 4 water wheels. Then it'll go down to this bucket, which then the pump will pump out the water, make it go up back to the top. And the reason why I actually think this would work, excluding all of the external sources and, friction and temperature, is that we start off with 100% of water. Then we just spin multiple windmills with that 100% of water, which means we get more energy than what we put in. And only this water wheel will power the pump. The rest of it can be used for other things. But this is where it starts to get a little confusing because I'm not really sure if this will actually work. It looks like it would work, but I have a feeling that it won't. Also, we have to address the other external sources, like I'm guessing the pump is an external source, I'm not too sure. Or maybe the fact that we have to deal with friction and temperature because that could affect the machine. Not sure how, but I've heard it could affect perpetual motion machines. So yeah, these are the 2 perpetual motion machine ideas that I have. Of course, this first one wouldn't really work. The second might work. I'm not sure. I can't really try to make these myself because, well, I don't really have the tools that I need to make that. But if anyone is willing to try these out, go ahead. Just make sure to, put my name in the credits, please. If you have any ideas for perpetual motion machines of your own or want to address a flaw with my idea, feel free to leave them in the comments. Anyways, I'll see you later.